Who is that? Who is that? You're just touching the iPad. Who do we have here? Yeah?
Yeah.
What does the dragon say? I like it when you roar.
I put out the fire.
You put out the fire?
I'm a trooper.
You're a trooper? I thought you were Jango Fett.
I put the fire.
You want to wear this? Okay, here we go. There you go. Little Trogdor.
It's giant. It's all called.
Can you roar again? Can you be a good dragon and roar? So what are you supposed to be?
I a clone trooper.
You're a clone trooper?
Mm-hmm.
Uh-oh.
Jelly water.
This is my little dragon. What are you eating off the floor? Did Leo Gabba Gabba teach you not to do that?
They do.